Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to update the repository when you make changes locally. Okay, so our first change, we're going to test it by just entering in some text here. This is a new change. And then we're going to save that. Okay, one of the things to keep in mind about uploading to a repository, especially if you're a developer, is to, and in this instance we're using NetBeans, and this is what I recommend as far as the text editor and working with a GitHub repository. And of course you can use your own text editor, but this is what I use. So anyways, if you right click on the folder itself, you'll see a little option here for Git, and you just go down to branch and create branch. And this is recommended because you don't really want to overwrite the master files. So we're just going to call it dev create. And then we're going to right click on it again and go back down to Git. And we're going to go to branch and switch branch. Now we're going to switch our changes to the development folder. And just click switch. And now that when we get ready to sync this with our repository, it's not going to override or change the master files. It'll upload it to a new folder called dev. And so we'll just go to our GitHub software here, and underneath local we'll open it up, and it's going to detect a change. So we want to comment on it, what we did, and I'm just going to enter a bunch of fake text here and click comment. And now if we click publish, it'll go ahead and upload that to our new creative folder. And there we go. It's uploaded. And we'll go to the repository just to see here. And if we click on master branches, we ought to be able to see that there's a new folder called dev. And here's our new change. And if we go back to master, we can see it stayed the same. We didn't mess with the original working files. So we're going to go back to dev. And in this situation, I'm going to pretend that I'm a different developer that just uploaded another change. And so I'm going to do it directly here on the site. This is another change from a different developer. And we're just going to save that. So if we go back here, of course we don't see that change yet. But if we open back our software, let's see here. Let's go back and GitHub here, or local, and then click over, refreshing. We're going to click sync. And that just synced it. We should see the change now. There we go. This is another change from a different developer. So that's how you would keep up with the changes and not overriding the working files. That would give the client a chance to review them and look over your changes and make sure that everything's good before you actually move it over to the master or to a live server. And as you can see here, we easily made a change, another developer made a change, and we easily synced back with that. So all the files are staying up to date and in a development folder.